Privacy leads to a good path, and a good path is led by us when we have privacy. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rebeca Easow, and I'm studying in 7th standard in Greece Public School. Today, I would like to speak a few words about right to privacy. According to our Indian Constitution, we Indians are having many rights. As per the Indian Constitution, privacy is also our right. In 2018, the Supreme Court of India declared that privacy is also a fundamental right of each and every Indian citizen. Let me share a very short story in front of you. Once when I was walking through the road, I saw a bunch of children struggling. They said, we need privacy. The question which I would like to put forward to you is whether we children are also having the right to privacy. As per Article 12 of United Nations Children Act, we children are also having the right to privacy. This includes the right to acquire knowledge, express a thought, life, etc. But unfortunately, we are living in a society where the life of the children never attains any attention. Let's learn that we should protect us from any harm against our reputation and image. This includes the right to protect us from any harm against our privacy. Let me conclude my words by saying, privacy leads to a good path. Let's understand our privacy and walk to the correct path. Thank you.